Hi, Shannon Rollins here, Shannon Rollins Real Estate. Gonna do something different this week. Gonna tell you about a fabulous property. I'm here with my marketing team, Katie and Cassidy. I'm gonna let you know about it just shortly. Today I want to let you know about a property we've been getting a lot of calls about, and it's on White Birch. It is overlooking the lake in Woodside and the golf course. Plus, it actually has waterfront access so you can put your kayak in the boat yourself. Check out this video.